Welcome to our deep dive into the semiconductor industry supply chain. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones to cars. But how do these tiny chips make their way from raw materials to finished products? In this video, we'll unravel the complex journey, exploring each stage and the key players involved. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how your devices are made, this exploration will give you a clear understanding of the intricate web that keeps the world connected. Supply chain begins with sourcing raw materials, primarily silicon, which is extracted from sand. This stage is crucial as the purity of silicon directly impacts chip performance. Mining companies and chemical suppliers play a vital role here, ensuring a steady flow of high-quality materials. These raw inputs are then transported to processing facilities, setting the stage for the next transformation. The reliability of this step underpins the entire semiconductor ecosystem, making it a foundational element of the supply chain. Once raw silicon is obtained, it's refined and shaped into wafers. These ultra-thin circular slices serve as the foundation for all semiconductor devices. Specialized manufacturers use advanced processes to grow and cut silicon crystals, achieving remarkable precision. The resulting wafers are then polished to a mirror finish, ready for the next step. This stage requires significant investment in technology and expertise, as even microscopic imperfections can affect the final product's reliability. Before chips can be made, they must be designed. This is where semiconductor design firms and intellectual property (IP) creators come in. Using sophisticated software, engineers develop blueprints that define a chip's function and structure. These designs are often licensed to manufacturers, allowing for innovation and specialization. The design phase is highly competitive, with companies racing to develop faster, more efficient, and smaller chips to meet market demand. Photolithography is a core process in semiconductor manufacturing. It involves transferring intricate circuit patterns onto silicon wafers using light and special chemicals. This step enables the creation of tiny transistors and connections that power modern electronics. The process requires cleanroom environments and cutting-edge equipment, as any contamination can ruin entire batches. Photolithography's precision is central to the industry's ability to produce ever smaller and more powerful chips. After photolithography, wafers undergo etching and doping. Etching removes selected material, carving out the circuit's pathways. Doping introduces impurities to modify the silicon's electrical properties, enabling the creation of transistors and other components. These steps are repeated multiple times, building up the chip's complex structure layer by layer. The accuracy of etching and doping is critical, as even minor errors can lead to defective chips. Deposition adds thin layers of materials onto the wafer, forming the various components of a chip. Planarization then smooths these layers, ensuring a flat surface for subsequent steps. These processes are repeated many times, gradually building the chip's intricate architecture. Advanced machinery and strict quality control are essential here, as uniformity and precision directly impact chip performance and yield. Once the chip structures are built, each wafer undergoes rigorous testing. Automated equipment checks for defects, measuring electrical properties and functionality. Only wafers that pass these tests move on to the next stage. This quality control step is vital for ensuring reliability and minimizing costly failures later in the process. The data collected here also helps manufacturers refine their processes and improve yields over time. After testing, wafers are diced into individual chips. Each tiny chip is then packaged to protect it from damage and facilitate integration into electronic devices. Packaging involves placing the chip in a protective case, adding electrical connections, and sometimes integrating cooling solutions. This stage is crucial for durability and performance, as well-packaged chips are less likely to fail in the field. Packaged chips undergo a final round of testing and inspection. This ensures that only fully functional chips reach customers. Automated systems check for electrical performance, heat tolerance, and other critical parameters. Any chips that fail are discarded or recycled. This final quality assurance step is essential for maintaining the industry's high standards and customer trust. Chips ready, the focus shifts to distribution and logistics. Chips are shipped to device manufacturers around the world, often requiring careful handling and secure packaging. Logistics companies coordinate complex supply routes, ensuring timely delivery to factories. Efficient logistics are vital for keeping production lines running smoothly and meeting market demand. Once chips arrive at device manufacturers, they are integrated into a wide range of products. From smartphones and computers to cars and appliances, semiconductors are essential components. This integration process requires close collaboration between chip makers and device manufacturers to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. The result is the seamless operation of the devices we rely on every day. Final products, now containing advanced semiconductors, reach end users through retail and distribution channels. These products include everything from smartphones and laptops to smart home devices and vehicles. The performance and reliability of these devices depend heavily on the quality of the chips inside, highlighting the importance of every step in the supply chain. Semiconductor supply chain is truly global, involving companies from every continent. Key players include material suppliers, equipment manufacturers, design firms, foundries, and device makers. Collaboration and competition drive innovation, but also create dependencies that can impact the entire industry. Understanding these relationships is crucial for grasping the supply chain's complexity. Semiconductor manufacturing is dominated by two types of companies: foundries and integrated device manufacturers (IDMs). Foundries produce chips designed by other firms, while IDMs handle both design and manufacturing in-house. Each model has its advantages, with foundries offering flexibility and IDMs providing end-to-end control. The balance between these models shapes the industry's structure. Behind every chip is a network of equipment suppliers. These companies provide the advanced machinery needed for wafer fabrication, photolithography, etching, and testing. Their innovations enable manufacturers to produce smaller, faster, and more efficient chips. Equipment suppliers are critical partners, and their technology often sets the pace for the entire industry. Material suppliers provide the chemicals, gases, and substrates essential for chip production. Their products must meet stringent purity and quality standards, as even tiny impurities can compromise chip performance. Close partnerships with manufacturers ensure a reliable supply of these critical materials, supporting the industry's relentless push for better chips. Designing modern chips requires sophisticated software tools. Electronic design automation (EDA) companies develop these tools, enabling engineers to create, simulate, and verify complex chip designs. EDA software is essential for managing the growing complexity of semiconductor devices, and advances in this area drive innovation across the industry. Specialized firms handle much of the testing and inspection in the semiconductor supply chain. These companies use advanced equipment to ensure chips meet strict quality and reliability standards. Their services are essential for identifying defects early, reducing waste, and maintaining customer trust. As chips become more complex, the role of testing firms grows ever more important. Packaging and assembly houses specialize in preparing chips for integration into devices. They handle the delicate process of encasing chips, adding electrical connections, and sometimes integrating additional features. Their expertise ensures that chips are robust and ready for the demands of real-world use, making them a vital link in the supply chain. Coordinating the semiconductor supply chain is a massive logistical challenge. Supply chain managers oversee the flow of materials, components, and finished products, balancing efficiency with risk management. Their work ensures that every stage runs smoothly, from raw materials to end-user devices. Effective supply chain management is key to meeting global demand and responding to disruption. Semiconductor supply chain is shaped by global politics. Trade policies, export controls, and international relations can all impact the flow of materials and technology. Recent events have highlighted the industry's vulnerability to geopolitical tensions, prompting companies and governments to rethink strategies and diversify supply sources. Natural disasters, pandemics, and other unexpected events can disrupt the semiconductor supply chain. These disruptions can lead to shortages, delays, and increased costs. Companies are investing in risk management and contingency planning to minimize the impact of such events and ensure a steady supply of chips to the market. Sustainability is becoming a priority in the semiconductor supply chain. Companies are adopting greener manufacturing processes, reducing energy consumption, and recycling materials. These efforts not only benefit the environment but also enhance efficiency and reputation. As consumers and regulators demand more sustainable practices, the industry is responding with innovative solutions. Research and development drive the semiconductor industry forward. Companies invest heavily in R&D to develop new materials, processes, and chip architectures. These innovations enable faster, smaller, and more energy-efficient devices, keeping the industry at the cutting edge of technology. Protecting intellectual property is critical in the semiconductor industry. Patents, trade secrets, and licensing agreements safeguard innovations and ensure fair competition. Companies invest in legal strategies and security measures to prevent IP theft and maintain their competitive edge. Quality assurance is embedded throughout the supply chain. From raw materials to finished devices, rigorous testing and inspection ensure that every chip meets high standards. This commitment to quality underpins the reliability of the electronics we depend on every day. Market demand shapes the semiconductor supply chain. Trends like 5G, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles are driving demand for advanced chips. Companies must anticipate these trends and adapt their strategies to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Semiconductor supply chain faces ongoing challenges, from technological complexity to geopolitical risks. As chips become more advanced, the need for collaboration, innovation, and resilience grows. Companies and governments must work together to address these challenges and secure the future of the industry. Summary: the semiconductor supply chain is a marvel of modern industry, connecting raw materials, advanced technology, and global collaboration. Each stage, from silicon mining to device integration, plays a vital role in delivering the chips that power our world. As technology continues to advance, the supply chain will evolve, facing new challenges and opportunities. Staying informed and adaptable will be key to thriving in this dynamic landscape.